All right, we're good. Just making sure everything's fine. Okay, let's go, guys. All right, so first things first. Kind of went until yesterday, and I got back into the gambler's mindset. I'm not gonna. I mean, I don't really. It's not that I owe you guys an apology or anything. It's more I owe myself an apology because I don't know. I've just been frustrated. I've literally been losing after losing, and like the frustrating part is like I have a really good idea what the market was going for, and just like my impulses were, I don't know if it's just I wanted to get out of that streak now and start into the winning side. But um yeah, my goal has been met. This was my goal for the week, this right here. And overall, just to cover, hold up, give me a second. And overall, yeah, just this fair value gap. We could reject from here now because we are in auto block, but in a deep digging into the deeper fair value gap on the weekly. And then we're gonna delete this with my draw. This right here, this literally this. The way we're having these rejections making me think we might be ready for a rejection now to the downside. Um, sorry about this, but yeah, if we could overtake this busy, like I said, I want to continue long, guys. Here, I want to continue long in Q from here. I was expecting NQ to go high, but no, we decided to go deeper into at 2 o'clock into this busy. Again, take out some sell stops, boom, and damage has been done and rally up. That was the damage that was done yesterday. I wanted to continue as I'll show you guys. I wanted to continue logging NQ after here. Like it wasn't a bad trade. It wasn't bad. It was just a frustrating trade because like the market doesn't do what I wanted to do, like when I wanted to. This was my draw right here. If you go to the 1 hour, basically, give me a second. It was this right here. When I was here, I wanted to see this busy hole to go higher. So during that moment, NQ was rallying. So I'm like, nice, it's cool. It's thingy trying to go higher. But I did the same thing. I realized like I'm not good at the level where I want to approach the six sister approach. The six sister, is that what it's called? The six sister approach. Yeah. Where like one of them catches up to the other one just because the other one's ahead. So here. So I decided to get in from this lyric. I just got in from I think from like the level right here, and I want to continue long. And so my level was my thing was like this. Something I realized also did I got in before 10, and then 10 is what really showed us the key to go lower. Because in this time, like, I'm expecting to go high. Cause remember, my draw is the daily fair value gap. This all the way up there. So I was thinking it's trying to go up from there, and I mean, like, it wasn't a bad trade, right? Like, it's cool. The only part of that was I decided to start revenge trading here. When I saw this, I wanted a long, and I went in 1 mini, not even a micro, 1 mini. So it was like risking like 2 something here. So when I saw this, I got in, I believe here, I'm not sure. Because it was in the 1050 macro. And I wanted to see this taking this buy side easily. And if we could have gone deeper, but that wasn't too much of my draw. My draw was literally just this. So I got upset, got stopped out. And then I get in another trade with another micro here. Trying to long again to this. And then nope, one more time down. And then the real move happens at the 12. This was frustrating, obviously. I was still watching it, but we take sell stops again. I believe there's S&T here again. No, NQ was much stronger during the time. And the real move happens here. And then yeah, I just went on a gambler's mode, and again, I'm not making this video like for like, you know, like when people are like, oh, like I'm sorry guys, like it's not really like towards you guys. I think this is more towards me and my personal self accountability. I guess the only thing that kind of really stopped me from fully blowing it was myself. Because like the reasoning came back in to me, and I was like, this isn't me, dude. Like, this is what you're putting in 2 years plus into, like, get back into gambling. And it just hit me. It just really did hit me. And Yeah, it just hit me. It really just hit me last minute. I was like, you know what? If you're gonna gamble, gamble on a good day. That's not. You're just asking for literally to blow your account during this chop. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Actually, that's like a thing the profit. You see, I lost like 500 something yesterday, but it's fine. Like it could have been worse, and I know it shouldn't be excused, but like I said, guys, we're humans, and this is gonna happen to everybody, even within like the best of the best. Happen. The difference with them is that they can control it quicker than I can at least, or quicker than most of us. That's the reason why they're able to make their profits so consistent. And it is what it is, but I'm just saying. My bad. I'm just gonna go my screen play the double. So I really just rather not play here for now, because like we're really between this range from yesterday. Well, this huge expansion. So if we're gonna go higher, I would expect to go higher from here. So from here, like that. And if not, we're just gonna continue. We're just gonna blast through it, and I'm okay with that. You know, I don't like playing with overextended ranges as much. I'm not the best to say. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna lower my risk again. Start risking like 100 per trade until I make at least half of that back, at least 250, and then I'm gonna start increasing my risk again. Yeah, I'm just happy that I guess I'm able to read price because I know where like I wanted to hit. The only thing just bothers me is obviously it doesn't get the way I wanted to, you know. So yeah, something's telling me this is gonna start getting reversed. And I'm cool with that. You know, I'm just gonna wait and see. Because if we do, then we can start looking for shorts. But for now, like I said, the only reason why I would be looking for shorts today is for just because we tapped into this. And we've been going up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Not bad. I mean, but I would expect some sort of reverse around Thursday and Friday, just another continuation of that reverse into the pullback. But yeah, I'm happy. Like I've been able to call this out from here. Well, from here, this was frustrating. This week was hella frustrating. And then coming into this week, it just been worse. So that's why I'm telling you, it's just like, it's so, it's just such a mental game. It takes such a strain on your mental strain on your head, on your mental capital. But yeah, like I said, if we do get into inverse, I would be looking for shorts. This is actually a huge displacement lower. I'm gonna see if we have some sort of SMT or something. You know what I mean? Something like a negate that we're ready to go lower. My bad. I gotta take this out the screen. But yeah, I'm just not gonna do anything here because if I do expect like if we go on the 1 hour, we could still bounce from here and continue going higher. I don't expect it as much to be honest with you, but hey man, it can happen, right? I just realized we also left another fair value gap here. Prefer not to see that feather, to be honest. Treat it as a breakaway. If you're gonna go higher, but the thing is, we're already on Thursday. Like I feel like the move has already been done for the week. So I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. I haven't even checked the news. I'm gonna wait till 10. That's one of the rules for sure I'm gonna have now. Like unless it's super duper clean, I'm not gonna get in before that. It's not worth it, in my opinion. For me, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. We already did have it, bro. Okay, but yeah. I didn't check news, which is I think we do have news today. Yeah, we do at 8:30. We did have news. I gotta write the data highs for that too. We do have news at 10. I really just wait till 10 and see what the move is gonna continue doing. Where's the 8:30 lows? The data lows at 8:30. Yeah, it wasn't really nothing too obvious. I want to see if we can bounce from that new week opening gap. We are tapping into a deeper side of the like I said, I don't know if we're gonna continue going higher. That's why I'm just saying it. I'm not really good with this type of, like when I'm putting in OTs, like I'm really just a little more nervous to take a trade in the sense that I don't know if we can continue. I've never been good. Like for example, like for me, something I realized like one of for sure my weaknesses is hold on, I did lower the volume, right? Okay. One of the weaknesses I've realized I've had is this. For me, I'm never sure if it's just like retracing back into OTE to go higher. That's why I do that, and then I just end up putting like my what's called my trade from this levels or before going higher. Obviously, I have to have some sort of liquidity here. I'm not just gonna trade just because I'm expecting a rejection from there. But yeah, I've never been good. Like yesterday, like I tried OT for the first time, but I mean I really tried it because I really did have a reason behind my trade, like what I was looking for. I had a break and an order block, and I had a fair value, so obviously it wasn't a trade because I was expecting high. But I realized I'm better to just waiting for the 1 minute market structure shift to the downside or to the upside, depending on what I'm looking for. And then I get in. I don't really just get in from OTE or whatever whatever the reasoning is. I'm gonna see if we have our first percentage fair value up already. Oh, we do. Wow. Okay. 9:30. It's this one right here. Extend it forward. Isn't it? I don't know what I've been recently. I'm considering just switching to a 5 minute. Again, I'd rather just wait. Get into OTE. Reject these levels if we're gonna reject. And I'll probably just go up like a 101 because even if we set a rejection, that OTE level it could just be literally retracing back into discount further. Like I'll show you guys. So for example, if I take longs, all this could really just be as like a retracing back into this level or something, like. But yeah, something's having more bearish now. Look at that rejection, beautiful price action. Like, for me, I just struggle with reading. Like I don't struggle with reading its price as much, but I definitely do struggle with what's it called? Getting involved. I want to see if we left some sort of below or something. But yeah, it is what it is. Wow, that's nice though. I'm gonna see something. I would probably wait for like probably wait for like 5 minute market structure, but I'll see. If the woman market structure shifts clean, then I'll just take. We do have news, so guys, heads up on that one. We are rejecting this. Oh yeah, jinx. There we go. All right, I'm gonna give me a second, guys. I'll be back. Alright, my bad, guys. Alright, let's see what Percy doing. Let's go, baby boy. Hey, you. Alright, so yeah, like I said, wow, this is strong. I expect if we're gonna have a rejection, I expect a quick rejection from you guys. We are entering into a new week opening gap, which I love. I love so much. Yeah. Looks like NQ is stronger, well, weaker in a sense. But stronger that is weaker. That's the thing. But yeah. Again, I'm not getting into anything. Nothing really looking for me. Like we go lower and go to here. I really don't care. The only thing that is very my attention is, like I said, this is looking really strong for me. We're bringing into inverse stuff. But that's the thing for me. Something that confuses me is like this, for example, right? Like yes, okay, cool, we're going, but this is just could be an inversion because we're going chasing down and then going high. So it's like that's what confuses me sometimes. That's the thing about me, since we have such a big range to work with. I always tend to confuse like these levels just like as kind of like inversions. I'm like, okay, so we could trade into it and go lower, but no, it could just be a retracement to this level before I go high, and then that's what really was messing me up. And for me, that's one of my weaknesses, like the ranges. You know, from here to here, I'm gonna extend my fib obviously, and then going to 1 hour. And here's where I really expect a rejection for sure. If you could just tap it, the thing is something I realized is depending on the speed. In the way we have the what the heck? Oh, I'm like, yo, what the hell is that representative already? Yeah. But yeah, something that they've told me, like it depends. Like if this levels really are going to be nice and strong, what do you need? Speed. The speed will tell you most of the things, like most of the answers. For example, once we sweep this liquidity, what do you want from here? Speed to the downside, because we already did the damage, taking out buy side. So vice versa. If we're entering like in a, for example, if we're entering into a delicate zone, like a zone that we expect the, I guess a reversal from, or a rejection at least, you want it to be quick. It's the same thing with new week opening. I love new week opening up. Like here, like you see how as soon as we're here, we just, like, let's go back real quick. Like here, we're in a new week opening gap, right? And here you want speed, like ASAP rocking. You know what I mean? Like right here, like boom, boom for rally gap, boom, and we're off to the races. But because of this, you see, take the sell side into new week opening gap, and boom. Yeah, that's really it. That was a nice trade. I ain't lie, this was a nice trade. I haven't had those trades in here in the morning sessions for a while. And it's kind of a little annoying, but what can I do? This is scary. We're gonna have a hard time going back up here. I'm gonna need to see something crazy, like a strong momentum now, the upside. And I am expecting a rejection from you guys. I am expecting. The only thing I still don't like is this, the S&T on top. Oh shit, I'm stupid. Here. Oh no, wait, no. Oh wow, I'm dumb. You don't have 10 teeth, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Oh my darling, oh my darling. Yeah, wait, it's okay. Oh man, I'm dumb. I just read. I thought we did take it for some reason. But whatever. Back to the point is, I don't like seeing this. I don't like that we're digging deeper into the new week opening gap like that. I don't like this, not at all. If we're gonna go to I really, I don't know. I mean, we could even go to here, which would be nice. But I'm just waiting. There's nothing clear from here, really. I don't have names, so yeah, I'm just waiting, bro. I'm just waiting. I really don't see anything right now for me, so just wait. That's really what we could do. But yeah, like I said, I don't know. It's like something just clicked last minute when I was really just willing to risk. I mean, you know what? Like I'm gonna put in 2 contracts, and if I get lucky, all this nonsense. I'm back to break even. And that's like your process that what goes through your mind, you know, like, oh, if I just risk this much more and I make it back or more, now I'm in a better position now, you know, like now I could start fresh and now I could start doing good. But not really, like, that's just not gonna help, dude. That's not gonna help, guys. I promise you. Because right now you're saying that because, well, I say that. Let me talk about myself. I'm sorry. I say that because I feel like, oh, once I'm what's it called? I'm abundant. I'm gonna become this best trader. But I've come to consideration it's these moments, the hard moments, that will define you for sure in the future. So yeah, I mean, yeah. Again, we are. That's crazy. That is crazy. Damn, this is my job for the week. I was looking for long this whole week, and I'll take this out for a bit. Too much going on my chart. Do I not have anything here for it? Again, guys, I'm really just expecting this. A rejection from this level right here. That's I'm just being patient. I'm not really waiting for nothing too much. But I am leaning more bearish and instant wise. I am leaning more bearish. We already took out so much liquidity. Got so much liquidity already. If we respect this, we might start having a little deeper retracement back in here. If we respect this, we could start doing this. Do this barely right here. And whether we go high for me, I don't know. But whether we disrespect this, and we might even go lower, I don't know. We're about to have a closure on this candle. I'm gonna wait because we are about to hit this mono block. Again, I would need some structure to form around here because we are tapping into a. Oh, we did tap into order block here on ES. I will start seeing some movement to the upside if we truly are ready to go to the upside. Is my internet slow or is that just trading view? So again, we are into OT now. Only thing like for me is just like what would I target? Like these are clean, don't get me wrong. But am I really expecting that? Oh, I'm gonna wait and see what it does. Because if let's just say it turns into a market maker buy model, this right here is my function hours. Oh shit, I didn't even mark that. That's crazy. Oh, look. I did not pay attention to that. Okay, so we did have it. Interesting. I'm gonna remove this OTE level. Wait, what the hell is that? Is that referencing? Oh no. Whatever. We are having some nice things, but we don't have a CIZ till here, so I'm just wait. We could just form something else here. Let me just wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm just wait. I'm not gonna get this because we could just sweep it again one more time and then have it clear. This would be like my first. I'll probably like. I don't know. Will come out here. Like I said, we did retrace into OTE. Oh, sorry. There we go. I'm sorry. Right here. I'm gonna take it off in the lower time. I already know I'm in OTE. And we did just straight shot down. And we don't have a CISD to all the way up here. So I'm just wait. We have another leg deep lower. Ay, ay, ay. Excuse me. I apologize. Did we have our first presenter for yes as well? 9:30, yes sir. Okay, interesting. We are rejecting oh shit, what did I just do? Wow, we're rejecting. Okay, that's interesting. We're rejecting the first presenter for fair value for yes. Let me keep it real quick. Let's take this off. I know where I'm at. We are tapping into an auto block. Dash this one too. Like I said, it is rather wait for another leg push down and a clear market structure shift back up. I'm really just looking for longs. Look at ES. I'm just waiting to news. I really don't care. Wow, we tapped all the way back into the change in delivery. Let's go. Again, I'm just waiting, guys. I'm really just waiting. There we go. I want to have one more candle then. Look, I have a chance to deliver and try to go for longs. Alright, guys, so it's 9. News is coming up. Something I realized. ES. We respect this nicely. The first percentage for value gap. Let me extend that to 11. Or at least 1150 macro. If this wasn't, if we are going to respect it, then I would expect this to be respected to the downside. If this is going to be a strong manipulation lower. We don't have a chance to deliver to here. I thought I'd rather just wait for another lower down. Or an S&T too, that would be nice too. But right now I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. And we're watching. And we're waiting. Alright. Very good, very good. What is the level? Oh, I think it's before I'm awake, right? I think it was this week, I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, I think it was this week. And then it was this week. No, sorry, this week. Oh, we already inversed that. Ugh. But you see, like, not on ES. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is what confuses me. Like, have we not or have we? Have we already inversed it or not? For me, that's like my main struggle, I guess, for now. Yeah. I think telling me we are reversing already. We'll mark this 15-minute for value gap now. I'm curious how we trade here. EQ is the weaker one for sure. I just want to see how we trade here. Sheesh, what a dump. Like, I don't know, it's weird now. Like, I should be freaking pissed, like, you know. But it's like, it's kind of weird. Like, I'm calm now. Like, I kind of understand where I'm at. So it's like I could really just give up this today for another day. You know what I mean? And I'll be fine. Like, I will be fine. Yeah, totally. This should have been respected. Wow. Yeah. That's inversion. Beautiful. We clear up on the 2-minute. Beautiful, beautiful price. Again, I'm fine with waiting. Nice. Again, I'm fine with this just because I don't know. I could expect the bounce here for sure, but I'm fine even then. You could have really entered here if you wanted to, but I'm not. Like, yeah, I totally get that. Like, that would have been like for sure easy target, but it's hindsight. I totally get that was instantly more bearish for the sense. Oh, look at that. Boop. Mm. Yeah, like this level needed a hold if it was here. At this point, I just think we're gonna go lower, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We're leaving that open. Like I said, this is what for me is like really what drove me crazy. Like this expansion right here, right here, right here. Like, I guess the only thing that made sense for me was we already hit this level. That's why we're seeing that. That's why I would be expecting more shorts. However, like even then, like this confuses me sometimes because I don't know if this could be used as an inversion, like it did here. Like if it would have been another day, it should have been clean, you know. And then I would obviously use something lower here, like a tap it to this or like something like this. But the problem with that is just like I always have to get confused between the expansion lags either being OTE or just playing on reverse, and it just stops me from entering shorts because I'm scared it's just gonna be rejecting to the upside. But yeah, it's fine. I mean, I don't really think we could even expect a market structure shift here, so I'll wait. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, look at my mom's calling me, dude.
but now it's getting a little old. We need to move on to the second act material here. Oh, now he deletes the message. You don't got to delete the message. I'm just, you guys.
Wow, I didn't mute myself. Oh my gosh. Oh my darling, oh my darling. Anyways, guys, like I said, I didn't like this trade for two reasons. We already reached 50% of that here, and I wanted to see the spacing through here. We were getting SNTs, then we got to do it again at the bottom. So it's just not a trade I wanted to take. Like it could play out, yeah, it is what it is. But it wasn't hyper for me anymore. I just realized the range was way too small for me to try to get in here. From this range to this range, you know, like I wanted to trade into here at least, into the order block, aka OTE as well, but it just wasn't really giving it to me. And it is what it is. That's why I moved to break even pretty quick as well, and I'm still pretty bearish price as well, because this is really the draw for me right now. Previous a low. It's a very risky area to try to go against. But yeah, it just wasn't worth it for me anymore. The trade wasn't worth it. The only thing I did like is that we did get a change to delivery. That's the only thing I'm happy for. I waited. There. So I was patient for that at least. I'm happy. Top bottom. Hey, what the heck? Hey man, what the heck, man? Alright, right there. Yeah. I waited for a chance to deliver, which I'm happy for. Right there. But yeah, guys, I'll see you boys tomorrow. I will be streaming. Peace out, guys. Peace out, you damn nerds.